Good morning, children. Today's thought. When you talk, you are only repeating what you already know. But if you listen, you may learn something new. This thought, given by Honorable Dalai Lama, is a great learning for all of us. You must have seen many of the problems they arise due to misunderstandings, and misunderstandings arise due to miscommunication. And the best path for communication is to become patient, listen, think, and then respond. So children, when you talk, you are only repeating what you already know. But if you listen, you may learn something new. So let us keep our attitude of learning something new, and let's get started with the exercise. Fill in the blanks with the appropriate term. The capacity of air to hold moisture depends upon the humidity of the air. Second, water does not have a shape but has definite density and mass. C. While freezing, the density of water is lowered. D. Neutral pH is the pH of soil. Second question, why is it said that air is a homogeneous mixture of various gases? From the word homogeneous, what do you understand? Meaning everything is equally mixed. So nicely mixed that you do not come to know what is there in it. So air is a homogeneous mixture of various gases. There are many constituent gases in the air. They are in the form of mixture. The separate existence of each gas is not felt. The individual gases cannot be separated easily, and therefore the air is said to be the homogeneous mixture. So all the gases present in the atmosphere, they are present together as a homogeneous mixture. They don't exist individually. B. Water is a universal solvent. Children, if you remember, what is a solvent? The substance in which the solute dissolves. And water is a universal solvent because many substances easily dissolved in it. Therefore, it is a universal solvent. C. There is no alternative to water for cleaning purposes. Of course, the basic reason is many substances can easily dissolve in water. Therefore, for bathing, cleaning utensils and washing clothes, water becomes a very useful solvent. Moreover, it is cheap, easily available remedy for cleaning purpose. And therefore, it is said that there is no alternative to water for cleaning purpose. Although it is written here it is cheap, but every drop of water counts. So we should use it judiciously. We find it cheap because we are not paying for it much. But water is life. Just like air is life, water is also life. So we should use it very judiciously. What will happen if the amount of water vapor in the air increases? When the amount of water vapor increases in the air, the humidity rises. And so the air becomes humid. Next, only one crop is grown repeatedly in the soil. If you remember, you have studied, what will happen? There will be deficiency of one particular nutrient, and so the fertility of soil will be lowered. It will go on decreasing and the crops will not give proper yield. So it is suggested that crops should be planted in rotation. With whom should I pair up? Air, scattering of light; water, excretion; soil, plasticity. State whether the following statements are true or false. Sandy soil has low capacity for holding water. True. It easily allows the water to pass through it. Seawater is a bad conductor of electricity. False. Seawater has a lot of salts, so it is a good conductor of electricity. C. The substances in which a solute dissolves is called a solvent. True. D. The pressure exerted by air is called atmospheric pressure. True. Explain the picture in your own words. Children, what can you see here? In the figure A, water is seen in the crevice over a land surface. This water is in liquid form. And in the figure B, the same water, you can see it is getting converted into ice. And when water gets converted to ice, its temperature decreases, water starts freezing. And since there is formation of ice, so the temperature of water is less than 4 degrees Celsius. And hence it expands. Because it expands, the crevice in the rock or the land surface also expands. So now you can understand how weathering of rocks and land surface occurs. Thank you.